Hey guys, it's Ben, and it's an awesome day out here at Burnett Heads. We've had a couple of sun showers roll through this morning. I've just been back down to Autobarns, grab a few bits, and we're gonna see if we can fix these linkages up a little bit today. So let's have a look at what we got. Alright, so today we have bought a pair of these. They're red line linkages, adjustable ball joint link, 120 millimeter, closed, 25 mil of adjustment. Should be fucking sweet. They're two different packets, but they're the same thing. So that's good. Got them, and I got two return springs, one for each carby, and that should help a bit. And then we're going to play around with these linkages and see if we can get them just to work that bit more together and take out any slight play there is. Okay, so I'll just quickly talk you through the problem and why and what we're going to do. These linkages here, see this nut here, just never did up tight. It's not perfect. This one here is the same. It's just like, I don't know, it's like the thread was wrong. Even that one keeps coming loose. Like yeah, I just don't like these. They just seem a bit shit. The other thing I'm hoping to fix is I want to try and move this arm onto this side of the carbies with this arm, so I have both of these here, which will help take out some of the play between them, and hopefully get them working just that tiny bit more in sync. They look pretty good there, but this should help a lot. Then we're gonna lose this spring, and replace them with the other two springs, which I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna run them to yet, but I have a plan. We just have to wait and see how it all pans out in the end, but should be able to make it heaps nicer, make my accelerator a bit smoother. So I'll set up my camera and we'll hook in. That throttle plate's too, I don't know, I'm not confident enough to put it on the other side. I'll talk to the bloke who's going to tune them tomorrow, because he will know a lot more about what's involved and if you can just do it. There's springs, and I don't want to like fucking let everything inside the carby go. So we're just going to leave the arms as they were, one on one side, one on the other side, and hopefully just the new linkages and new springs and everything will help it out a lot anyway. So we'll sort of get into putting it back together. Alright, that's heaps better. There's no fucking play or slop, nothing. them springs I got, they were too strong. Oh, it's a tractor. Thinking, what the fuck's going on? Fucking tractor coming down my street. So it's heaps better. The tuning dude should like that. He wouldn't have liked all them sloppy linkages, I don't think. So oh man, yeah. See what happens next. Right, so just quickly, I thought I'd talk you through all the shit that I keep in my boot while I've got it out. Kangaroo. Good boy, okay, inside. Right, so this is it. First, I normally keep my wrapper spanners. Jumper leads always stay in the car. Bottle of water, bottle of oil always stay in the car. This plastic toolbox here, this has my tools that always stay in the car as well. Got there for the linkages, Datsun Phillips head, flathead, and then just the 10, 12, 11, another 12, and 8 there. And I'm gonna buy a 13 of that. I've got some electrical tape in there at the moment. Sometimes I'll chuck other tools out of my bag in there as well. There's a bunch of random stuff in there, so sometimes I'll swap that in and out as well. But this is the stuff that just usually lives in the car. I got what's left of my Stanley ratchet set, emergency jump starter, the Datsun wheel chocks. Then we have Aeroguard. If you live in Australia, you will know all about Aeroguard and why you need it. Carburetor throttle body cleaner. Behind that is some silicone spray. Don't use silicone spray on everything, that's only for certain things. Contact cleaner. Then we've got 2 cans of RP7 there, and a can of Nylon. Start, you bastard, you cunt. Brake cleaner. There's a screwdriver supposed to be in there, and also keep some spare hose. And like I said, there's a lot of other shit in that other bag. Depending on what I'm doing and what I've been playing with, I'll swap the tools in and out that I'm actually using at the time. But yeah, that's about it. Jam it all back in the boot and we're done for today. Thanks for watching again. Please like and subscribe. The more likes and subscribes I get, I guess the more time and effort I'll put into making these videos. I hope you enjoy.